In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on LinkedIn. Updating your LinkedIn profile photo is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how your profile looks to recruiters, colleagues, and professional connections. A clear, professional-looking photo helps make your profile feel complete and up-to-date. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from start to finish so you can change your photo quickly and confidently. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and looking at the top of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there, which opens the menu for your account and profile options. Click on the Me icon, and from the menu that appears, choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your public-facing profile page, where you can edit your personal details. Once you're on your profile, look at the Introduction section near the top. This is the area that includes your name, headline, and current profile picture. To begin updating your image, click directly on your profile picture. If your photo isn't visible, or if LinkedIn displays a camera icon instead, click the camera icon. Both options will take you to the photo update screen. Next, choose Upload Photo. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to select an image saved on your device. Pick the photo you want to use and confirm your selection. It's a good idea to choose an image that is clear, well-lit, and centered on your face so it displays well across LinkedIn. After the image uploads, LinkedIn will give you a set of editing tools. This is where you can fine-tune how the photo appears. You can zoom in or out to frame your face properly, crop the image so it fits neatly, straighten it if it looks slightly tilted, and even apply filters if you want to adjust the overall look. Take a moment here to preview the result carefully, since your profile photo is one of the first things people notice. When everything looks the way you want, click Save Photo. Your new profile picture will then be applied to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. Once saved, your updated photo here will help present a polished and professional first impression. If you're updating your LinkedIn profile overall, this is also a great time to review your headline and other profile details to make sure everything feels current and consistent.